Nag-order dati ng suot, kaya parang may naglalaro sila, isisipa nila, at yan yung naging game.
Yes,
Ano ba yun?
because in the Philippines, it's hot weather, right? So we always wear sleepers outside. Rubber. Go.
아니 이건 해보셨나요?
Have you tried this before? Nagawa na ito?
Everyone!
everyone.
You're very good. For Olympics. Olympics? Okay, let's go. At dito ka. You have 3 tries. And then, galingan mo na lang. So, you later. Third. Okay. Hindi mo mag-English. Oh my God. When was the last time we played this? 9 years ago. Okay. Next. No, not yet. She, everything. She, everything? You have 1 point. Alright. Thank you so much. Would you like to say anything to Mr. Inu? What is wow?
Living home in the Philippines.
You're part of the family?
I am an admin of the Facts Lab.
모자도 쓰고 오셨네요. 모자도.
Pati hat mo, match na match?
Oh, he knows.
Okay, what's your name first?
Connie.
Connie.
아니 나이스 매치.
Connie, where are you from?
Somewhere but currently working here in Manila.
Ah, wow. She's not from Manila also. Okay, are you ready, Connie? Okay, I have a question. You like him, right?
So much!
Then why can you not look at him? Okay, alright. Connie did the... Okay, because she's super shy, and then she's super overwhelmed.
You can go.
Yeah. Let's go. Connie, first and the last. Kahit saan. Si Ate Ivy nakakuha ng 1 point. Yan ang sinasabi ko eh. Talagang kung may mga gwapo sa harap, nawawala ka talaga sa sarili mo. Ano? Connie, kaya mo yan. Second. Boy! 1 point, 1 point. Okay, Connie, wala ka naman. Alright. Hindi ko alam kung sino yung gusto niya. Ako. Ay, nakakapagayakap ko to.
Pwede siya.
Hindi ko siya ginakap sa'yo. She's asking if she can...
그럼 뭐 선물
Ivy. So, ang question dito is sino mananalo? Si Minho or yung fans? So you have to get at least 2 points to win over the fans.
네, 해보겠습니다.
Okay.
Yes, I'll try.
Oh, just. You have to go like this. It's okay. But at least he got 2 points. And for that, ang nag-wagi for this game is si Lee Min Ho.